Imagine a situation where your boss asked you in a meeting if you are confident enough to go abroad for a project. You got excited and said, "Yes, I am feeling confidence." Your boss looked at you and some of your colleagues also gave you strange looks. The boss just said, "Okay, let's see, we'll let you know." But wait, you were expecting a better response like, "Oh, that's nice, let me share your on-site plan." But what went wrong? Something you said was incorrect. Do you know what? The correct form is, "Yes, I am feeling confident," and not, "Yes, I am feeling confidence." You see, confident is an adjective, but confidence is a noun. In this sentence, you are the noun, and an adjective should have been used, but you use a noun instead. It's a very common mistake for many people with Odia medium backgrounds. In Odia, we can say, "Mu biswas anubhav karuchi," or "Mu kushi anubhav karuchi." Biswas translates to confidence, and kushi translates to happiness. But can we use these words the same way in English? No, not at all. The rule is simple. Ask yourself, are you describing something or simply pointing to something? If you are describing something, use the adjective. For example, "He is a responsible person." But if you are pointing at something, use the noun. For example, "This work is his responsibility." Now your turn. Can you please share in the comments which one of these is correct? Sentence 1 or sentence 2? 1. I am feeling nervousness before the presentation. Or 2. I'm feeling nervous before the presentation. Let's try another one. 1. I am so happiness right now. Or 2. I am so happy right now. One last. 1. I am feeling excitement about this project. Or 2. I am feeling excited about this project. If you answered 2 in all 3, then you were correct. Let's be mindful about the difference between jinisaha and description, meaning noun versus adjective. Hope this video really helped you. If you are an Odia working or business professional, a competitive exam aspirant, or a job seeker aged 25 to 45, and you want to improve professional communication, don't forget to 1. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. 2. Check the link in bio to register for a demo class. 3. Like and share this video with someone who needs it. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.